Bob Boldt HVAC offers professional air conditioner installation services in Eagan, MN, ensuring homes and businesses stay cool and comfortable. We work with top-rated brands, delivering reliable solutions that improve indoor comfort while reducing energy costs. With a focus on customer satisfaction, we offer transparent pricing, financing options, and expert recommendations on rebates and energy-saving features. Call our air conditioner installation team if you have any questions. Are you looking for an air conditioner installation near me? You can stop looking. You found Bob Boldt HVAC. What factors should I consider when choosing a new air conditioner? Key factors include the size of your home, energy efficiency ratings, SEER 2, budget, and cooling needs. Our experts at Bob Boldt HVAC help you choose the right system for optimal comfort and efficiency. Will a new AC unit improve energy efficiency? Yes, modern air conditioners are significantly more energy efficient than older models. We install high SEER rated systems designed to lower energy costs while improving comfort. What is your service area for Eagan, Minnesota? Our air conditioner installation has helped clients in Eagan, Apple Valley, Rosemount, Mendota, Bloomington, Newport, Cottage Grove, Coates, Richfield, Minneapolis, Burnsville, Savage, Woodbury, Sunfish Lake, Maplewood, Edina, Minnesota. Where is your Eagan, Minnesota air conditioner installation office located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121. Our phone number is 165-130-06145. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com.